Hey there, soldering enthusiasts and electronics repair wizards. Today, we're diving into the world of hot air rework stations. If you're into soldering, desoldering, or reworking electronic components, having a reliable and efficient hot air rework station is a game changer. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 hot air rework stations of 2023. We've done the research, put these stations to the test, and now we're ready to share our findings with you. From their features and performance to their build quality and usability, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. So if you're ready to take your soldering and rework skills to new heights, stay tuned. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information, and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with all our future reviews and recommendations. Let's dive into the world of hot air rework stations. Starting at number 5, the Gordak 863 3-in-1 BGA Rework Solder Station is a versatile tool that combines a digital hot air heat gun, an electric soldering iron, and an IR infrared preheating station. With its multiple functions and reliable performance, it caters to various soldering and rework needs. The hot air gun features a brushless fan and adjustable airflow, delivering a maximum airflow of 120 liters min. It offers a temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, allowing for precise heat application in different scenarios. The soldering station provides a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, ensuring efficient soldering with its ceramic heating element. The Gordak 863 is suitable for tasks such as component disassembly, soldering, heat shrinking, drying, paint removal, and preheating. The station's noise level of 45 decibels ensures a quiet working environment. Equipped with a far infrared heating plate, the preheater contributes to efficient and uniform heating of circuit boards, promoting successful rework processes. With its solid build quality, reliable temperature control, and multiple functionalities, the Gordak 863 3-in-1 BGA Rework Solder Station is a valuable tool for professionals and hobbyists in the field of electronics repair and rework. Its ease of use and versatile features make it suitable for various soldering and rework applications. At number 4, the Yihua 899 DII Hot Air Rework Station is a versatile 2-in-1 anti-static soldering station that combines a hot air gun and a soldering iron. With its digital temperature correction function and convenient features, it offers efficient and precise soldering and rework capabilities. The station includes a soldering iron sleeping function and allows for easy cold/hot air conversion with the flip of a button. The Celsius/Fahrenheit temperature display function provides flexibility for users. The air gun can be operated in both automatic and manual modes, and the LCD display screen ensures clear visibility of settings. With a maximum power of 720 dO, the hot air gun delivers an adjustable airflow of up to 120 liters/min and a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. The soldering iron operates at a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius and provides a stable temperature output. The Yihua 899 DII is suitable for various soldering tasks, and its versatility makes it ideal for professionals and DIV enthusiasts. The digital temperature correction function ensures accurate temperature readings, and the soldering iron's sleeping function helps conserve energy and prolong its lifespan. With its reliable performance, user-friendly features, and durable construction, the Yihua 899 DII Hot Air Rework Station is a valuable tool for a range of soldering and rework applications. At number 3, the Aten St 862D Hot Air Gun BGA Rework Station is a powerful and intelligent digital display rework station designed for PCB chip soldering and repair. With its 1000 duty whirlwind power and advanced features, it provides reliable performance and precise temperature control. The LCD screen allows for visual temperature and status display, enhancing the user's interaction with the station. The menu-style operation and fast temperature air volume access keys enable easy switching between common temperature settings. Equipped with a brushless fan, the Aten St 862D delivers strong airflow and offers both straight and spiral wind options. The plug-in heating chip allows for quick replacement, while the automatic sleep and temperature lock functions enhance efficiency and safety. This rework station is suitable for various applications, including the disassembly and soldering of components such as SOIC, chip, QFP, PLCC, and BGA. The closed-loop sensor ensures accurate temperature control, and the large power enables rapid heating. With its versatile functions and robust construction, the Aten St 862D Hot Air Gun BGA Rework Station is a reliable tool for professionals in PCB soldering and repair. Its temperature calibration, timed work function, and automatic cooling system further enhance its usability and longevity. At number 2, the Sugin 8620DX Hot Air Rework Station is a feature-packed tool designed for a wide range of soldering and rework applications. With its 4 working channels and customizable settings, it offers versatility and convenience for professionals and hobbyists. The station provides various protection functions and well-designed buttons for easy operation. The magnetic switch control enables real-time operation, and the handle frame's sleep mode ensures energy efficiency when not in use. The automatic sleep function and parameter adjustment in sleep mode enhances the station's usability. Featuring a brushless vortex fan and adjustable airflow, the Sugin 8620DX offers precise temperature control and is suitable for multiple heating purposes. The automatic large air volume cooling function helps prolong the heating element's life and protects the hot air handle. This rework station displays temperatures in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, and its self-calibration function ensures accurate temperature readings. It is ideal for disassembling and soldering various components, such as SOIC, chip, QFP, PLCC, and BGA. With its comprehensive features and reliable performance, the Sugin 8620DX Hot Air Rework Station is a valuable tool for professionals in electronics repair, as well as for tasks like heat shrinking, drying, paint removal, and more. At number 1, the Mypovus 2-in-1 Hot Air Gun Rework Station is a versatile soldering station that combines a hot air gun and an electric soldering iron, making it suitable for a range of soldering and rework tasks. The dual LCD digital displays provide precise temperature control, allowing users to set and monitor the temperature accurately. With its low noise and space-saving design, this rework station is convenient to use in various settings. The intelligence self-detection function ensures safe operation, and the automatic cooling function helps extend the heater's life and protect the hot air gun. The hot air gun offers a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius and features a maximum airflow of 120 liters min. The soldering iron, with its ESD design, operates at a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius and delivers 70 watts of power. The Mypovus Hot Air Gun Rework Station is suitable for various applications, including PCB, IC, and SMD soldering and welding. Its reliable temperature stability, compact design, and precise temperature control make it a valuable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you need to solder components or rework circuit boards, this rework station offers the functionality and performance required for efficient and accurate soldering tasks.